This is fantastic. I love it. It plumps my skin, it helps the tone, it improves the texture. I've recommended it to all my friends. I should be on commission. It's just fantastic. The texture, it just makes my skin feel really soft and plumped up, and makeup sits better on it after I've moisturised, and just takes all the dryness, any nasty redness or scaly bits away. It's quite a significant texture. You can feel it going on, you can feel it sitting on your skin, but it sinks in really quickly. So it's not something that you just put on and it evaporates straight away. You kind of work it into your skin, which I think helps the skin improvement anyways. Estee Lauder is my new brand to watch, and I will be buying more of their stuff because it's worth all the hype.
I can see why this serum is iconic. For me, it's like a serum that does everything. So I don't feel like I need to use multiple serums in my routine. I use it overnight, and when I wake up, I feel like a changed person. My skin is like visibly more hydrated, more plump. I also think it's really good for if you've got concerns with your skin barrier, because I've noticed my skin's been a lot less sensitive this month as well. The texture is amazing. It's really lightweight, it sinks into your skin straight away. It doesn't interfere with any other products. I haven't noticed anything to do with fine lines yet, but I know there's antioxidants in there, so maybe it's all preventative.
I've had such a good experience with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's so unassuming. I didn't expect it to be so hydrating and change my skin so much in such a little amount of time. I've been using it for 30 days as a month cycle, and my skin is stronger, my barrier feels stronger, is more hydrated. It said it's meant to hydrate for 72 hours, and it definitely does that. My texture's improved, and it's honestly my favourite serum, and I'll be so gutted when this runs out.
And I still got loads, that's crazy. I must say I fell in love with it. Every morning I woke up with a healthy glowing skin, which was really good. After a month of using it, I must say it worked very well on my fine line. My skin just looks plumped and refreshed. After a very hard day, I put this on, and in the morning I woke up refreshed. I like the texture, it's very lightweight and oil-free. So I think it's actually a good hydrating base for makeup as well. And also I found myself using less moisturizer than before. I will say that's the big difference from other serums that I've tried before. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Obviously, I said before, the bottle looks amazing. I've just liked watching it every now and then on my dressing table, and yeah, everything about it is just really, really good. I really loved it.